Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PNC Pay. PNC Pay offers a convenient and secure way to make purchases directly from your Android phone. It transforms your device into a digital wallet, allowing you to pay with a simple tap. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to making your first contactless payment, ensuring you can enjoy the ease of this modern payment method. Setting up PNC Pay is straightforward and takes just a few moments. First, ensure you have the PNC mobile banking app on your Android device. Once logged in, navigate to the PNC Pay section. You can then easily add your eligible PNC Visa credit or debit cards by following the on-screen prompts. A quick verification step, and you'll be ready to experience seamless mobile payments. Making a purchase with PNC Pay is incredibly simple. When you're ready to pay, just look for the contactless payment symbol at the checkout. Unlock your Android phone and hold it gently near the payment terminal. The transaction will complete in mere seconds, and you'll receive a confirmation right on your device. It's a fast, efficient, and modern way to handle your everyday shopping. PNC Pay offers numerous benefits, including enhanced security and unparalleled convenience. Each transaction uses tokenization, meaning your actual card number is never transmitted to the merchant, protecting your financial information. This method provides a faster checkout experience and reduces the need for physical contact, making your payments both secure and incredibly efficient. It's a smart way to pay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.